Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another video that pays you massive money every day. So you're making profit every day when you save your money in this website. So this is really legit and it pays people daily when you save your money in this website. So this is how the website look like. So they pays you massive money when you save your money every day in this website. So this is the website here. You just have to log in your account. You create an account. For those of you that don't have account, you create account. But those of you that have account, just click on what get connected. So when you connect your account to it, you log in. So it will take you to your dashboard here. So this is my dashboard here. So I'm about to invest in this website to check maybe it's legit. So I'll be doing another video on how this really pays in the next 20 days, because I have to invest and make a withdraw on it. So in the next 20 days I'll be posting my withdrawal proof of this website, because I've seen a lot of proof about this website. A lot of people said it's paying. A lot of people said it's paying. A lot of comment about it that is really paying them. So me too, I'm about to invest in this website to check maybe it's legit. And you guys don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. So you just need to click here. You click here, you come to what? Open a deposit here. So this is open a deposit here. This is where you can invest, and the minimum deposit you can deposit in this website is from $25. You can deposit any amount. Sorry, you can deposit any amount, but you can invest from $25 to $999, from 500 to $499, from 5,000 to $49,000, from any amount you want to invest. Can you see it? So but me, I prefer you choosing 20 days towards 35 days of your investment. If you want to invest in this website, do not choose longer date, because that's do not choose longer date. I don't know, but do not choose longer date. But you can also choose 20 days towards 35 days. So if you choose 20 days here, you click on invest now. So you click what? You write $25. When you save $25, you're making $7 profit every 20 days in this website. So just save. When you save what? $100. When you save $100, you're making $30 profit every 20 days. That's also money. You're making $30 every 20 days. Wow, that's massive money. Yeah, that's massive money when you're making $30 every day. So for those of you who want to save more than $10, more than $100, you can also start from $300. Yeah, start from $300. When you make $300, when you save $300 within 20 days, you're making what? $90 within 20 days in this website. You're making $90. So when you click what? Cancel, let's check 35 days. So when you come to this 35 days, you click on invest now. So invest now. When you want to invest in this 35 days, let's invest the same $300. So you are making, oh sorry, when you invest your $300, you're making $178 every 35 days. Wow, massive money. Your daily profit is $5. Wow, you're making $5 every day and no minimum payout here. So your minimum is what? You're making $5 profit every day, and your profit you'll be earning is $178 every 35 days in this website. So that's it for you. If you want to save, you can just choose this two. One of $25. When you save $25, they're giving you 1.45% of your $25 you save, and you're also collecting $1.70 1.70 cents for every $500 you save. So that's just it for 35 days. So right here, if you want to withdraw your money, you come here, you click on withdraw. So in this withdraw place, no minimum payout here, no minimum. You can withdraw any amount from $1 upward. You can withdraw any amount you have in your balance here. You can withdraw any amount. So this is your Tron and your USDT. You can only use USDT and Tron to deposit and to withdraw your money. So when you click on withdraw, you just have to edit. You put your USDT wallet address here. You paste it there, and your Tron wallet address, anyone you want to use to withdraw. So that's your choice. So let's now deposit to this account right now. So you just click on so this is it here. If you want to deposit to this account, so this is their your address they are giving you, your what Tron wallet address they are giving you to what to save money. This is your what wallet address for you to save money. This is it. So if you want to save money to Tron account or USDT, you can also save money. You just copy your what, you copy the address, you paste it on the address on in your wallet anywhere you want to send the money from. So you copy it and paste it there, so you will see your money here within 2 minutes. When you deposit the money, your balance will show up here. So that's all about this website, and that's how it works, guys, and it's really paying you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. So drop your country below so I can upload the video that can pay you massive money in your country there. So, and in this website here, if you also refer someone, you're also what getting bonus per referral that deposit to this website. You're also getting bonus per referral. Please don't forget to do that. So you copy your referral link here. So you're also getting bonus per referral. So that's just it. And you will that sign up under somebody link, you're also getting bonus also. So I'll be dropping my referral link under the comment section. So you guys should use it and sign up. So you also earn massive money on it. So thanks for watching.